We'll guide you through how to download and install Fabric mods on Minecraft. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Fabric mods are a really great way of going and changing your Minecraft experience. In general, they are just mods, but they're going to be using the Fabric loader. So we're going to guide you through this step by step. They can go and add in different items to Minecraft and go and change how it works, and it all go and depend upon the mods you go and get. We're going to guide you through how you can go and find different Fabric mods and then installing them and adding them into the game. So make sure this full guide and don't skip anything. And without any further ado, let's go and jump straight into this. To get started, pause the game by pressing escape and you can press save and quit to title, and we'll press quit game. Now, what we need to do is go and open up a web browser. Before we get any further, a big shout out to the sponsor of this video, Apex Hosting. If you're in need of a Minecraft server, check them out, link down below in the pinned comment and the description. Right now, you can get 25% off on your first order, so it's definitely worth checking them out. They've got so many great features, so you can go and start playing with your friends, like a free subdomain, making it easy for people to connect, unlimited slots, 24/7 server support for your always online server, and automated backups. So check them out, link down below. But to continue, you can come to a search engine like Google. So now what we're going to do is go and start browsing for some different Fabric mods. So for example, you can go to a site like CurseForge or Modrinth. There you can go and browse through mods and go and search as well. You may go and have a mod in mind, which you can go and find. In this case, I want to go and sort of have a look. So let's come to CurseForge and curseforge.com. Find Minecraft and you can press browse all at the top. Now what you can do here is we can go and scroll down to mod loaders, and I'm going to go and filter this for Fabric. And then what you can do is start browsing through. So we can go and find a mod that you want. There are so many different mods out there, and of course you can go and get multiple as well. So let's go and say, I'll go to another page here and just go and find something I want. I'll go and get this here, just enough items. This is a really useful recipe mod. So we're going to go and click on it. Wait for it to go and load. And you can go and scroll down and go and read about it. It may go and give you some useful information. Some mods are going to go and require like a dependency, which is essentially another mod for it to go and run. So what we can do here to go and get it is go and press files. Now it's important to note here that you may need to go and get it for a specific version if you're playing with other mods. So if you know there's a certain version you need to get, you can see that there, and you can also go and filter for the certain version at the top. Just make sure you go and get it for the Fabric loader. So in this case, I'm not too worried about the version. I'm just going to go and get the latest and make sure it's a Fabric. You can see that there. So to then go and download it, you can press the three dots to the right and press download file. Go and wait, there'll be a countdown here. And what you can now do is go and get more mods. Just make sure when you go and get more mods, you go and get them for the same version. In my case, that's 1.21.11, and of course for Fabric. It's been blocked, but I can click on it in my downloads and go and press download unverified file. That's fine. Now, what we need to do is we need to go and get Fabric, the loader. So you can go and open up a new tab, and we'll go and type in Fabric Minecraft. You can come to the site, fabricmc.net. Then you can go and press download here, and we can go and get the download for Windows. It's the easiest way to go and install it. And we're also going to go and need to get the Fabric API. So go and click on it. We can press files. Now this needs to be for the same version. So we can select all game versions and select 1.21.11. And then here it is. We can press the three dots to the right and go and press download file. That's it. Shortly it's going to go and begin downloading. We can see the countdown there once again. And it's now downloaded. It has been blocked. So let me go and click on it at the top. And we'll press download unverified file. Now what we need to do is go and start the installation process. So we can come and close out the launcher. We'll go and open up our file explorer and come to your downloads. You can go to the left and go and press downloads, and you want to find the Fabric installer and double click on it. It should then go and run. Make sure you go and select the right version here that we got the mods for. For me, it's 1.21.11, so we can then press install, and it's now finished. Press OK, and you can then close it. Press search at the bottom, and you can go and type in Minecraft Launcher and open it up. It shouldn't take long to open. And then what we're going to need to do is go and install the mods into the Minecraft files. So go and press installations at the top. Come down and find the Fabric loader for the version you've got, in this case 1.21.11, and press the folder icon to the right to say open installations folder. Then you can scroll down here and you want to go and find the mods folder. As you can see here it is. I'll just delete what's currently in there as it's for a different version. And then we can come to our downloads. I may need to click that again. And you can then go and drag in the API and also then the mod, which was JEI. And there it is. Now you can press play at the top and you can go to the left of play and select that there, and you can then find the fabric loader for the right version. Press play and it will now launch. Go and wait. We've now loaded. We're going to go and get into a world. I'll just go and create a new one and I'll then go and show you the mod. Here we are, and when I open up my inventory, you can see JEI to the right here. Really useful, but of course yours may be different. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.